Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your English exam. First, thoroughly understand your exam format and question types, paying close attention to marking schemes. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time for each section like literature or grammar. Finally, gather all necessary study materials, including your class notes, textbooks, and any supplementary resources. This foundational planning is crucial for effective preparation. To master reading, practice comprehension with diverse texts daily, focusing on identifying main ideas and author's intent. For writing, regularly draft essays and summaries, paying attention to structure and coherence. Actively work on expanding your vocabulary, refining grammar rules, and constructing varied sentence structures. Consistent practice in these areas will significantly boost your performance. Dive deep into literature by reviewing literary devices such as metaphors and similes, understanding their application in various texts. Simultaneously, solidify your grammar knowledge by memorizing key rules and identifying common errors you tend to make. Engaging in discussions about complex topics with your peers or teachers can also provide invaluable insights and a deeper understanding. For your final review, complete several practice papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Thoroughly review all your previous mistakes, understanding why they occurred and how to correct them. On exam day, ensure you get enough rest and eat a good meal. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other helpful deals. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.